How to reload Touch and Go e-wallet using Duitnow. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to reload the Touch and Go e-wallet using Duitnow. First, download and open the Touch and Go app on your mobile phone. Make sure you have sufficient funds in your bank account linked to Duitnow to reload Touch and Go e-wallet. In the app, tap on the profile icon at the top right side. Tap on the Duitnow transfer option here. Tap the Link e-wallet with Duitnow button to link. Tap on the Activate Touch and Go Wallet button. You can start receiving money using your mobile number. So that is exactly how to reload Touch and Go e-wallet using Duitnow. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.